Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send friend request on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the icon having 3 profile icons just beside gift icon in the bottom section of your screen. Here in the search bar, you can type in the name of the person to whom you wanna send friend request. Or you can simply go to suggested friends option and click on the add friend option of the person to whom you wanna send friend request. So that is how you can send friend request on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.